Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $25 every 10 minutes and up to $150 per hour just by spending few minutes or hours of your free time. And in order to get paid for this method, you just need a good internet and a PayPal account, which means that anywhere in the world you can start making money using this method. And for this method, we're gonna be using a Google Translate as well as some free websites. Without wasting any more time, let's jump on the computer and show you how you can make this. Step number 1 is going to this website, which is called CPAGrip. I am already registered there, and that is pretty easy to do. You just have to confirm your email and phone and you're logged in. As you can see on my dashboard, they are paying daily on some people that are getting some clicks on their links, and they're anywhere from $25 up to thousands of dollars. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, I'm gonna give you a step by step how you can make this happen to you as well. So after completing your registration, you need to confirm your email and then log in to your account. And after you're logged in, this is what you should be seeing. This is the main dashboard panel. Before I start explaining the steps, I need you to know that before you want to withdraw something, you need to have at least $50, and this threshold is easy achievable, so you don't have to worry about it. Also here from the payment center you can see all-time earnings and what you have been paid so far. So when you're here, you want to go to this offer tools, expand, then click on my offers. Since my country of residence is Bulgaria, now the country is set on Bulgaria. And now I see that they're not paying enough for this country, so I'm gonna change the country. I'm just gonna type something else. So for a country, I'm typing United States. I'm clicking on it, and then I select payout, so I can see the highest pay links on top. And you can see because of the highest volume of users there, the best payout they can get is $2.06. So that's why we're gonna use a different country. So I'm going to countries again, and this time I'm selecting France. I want to see how are they paying for these links. And when I select the payouts, I can see that the top paying link is $23.10, and that amount is pretty high, so I'm gonna make affiliate link for this one. Before I start doing it, you want to check out on the left side, you can see the supported device. So for the first link, it is used for a desktop. The following three, you can use it as a mobile, and so on. So if you're not having a desktop PC, you can do this with mobile phone as well. And since I'm doing it from my computer, I'm gonna select the first one. Also, the first one is one of the highest paid, so I'm selecting it. Now when you have selected it, it will open this window and it will be written on the language that you have preferred for country. In my case, everything here is on French, and this is where Google Translate is coming into place. So you want to go to Google and type Google Translate and click on this, and you can select the language that you want to translate to whatever language you want. In my case, this is French, so in my Google Translate I select French to English. Then on the top side, the bold letters, this is the title of this affiliate link. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go to this Google Translate and I'm gonna paste it here, and I can see that this one means complete your registration now. Then I'm going back and I'm copying the second sentences, which is the description. I paste it here and I can see that it says enter your information now to get started. And then on this window, you're going down and you need to select the tracking domain. And basically in here doesn't matter which kind of domain you're picking. And below the domain is your affiliate link. You want to click on copy link so you can copy it. Then go in Google and type short link free online. And I'm using this website, which is called free URL shortener. And here is very straightforward. You just need to paste your link here and select shorten URL. And this is your new link. Then select copy on the right side of it, because we want to distribute this link to other people. And then you want to go to this site trafficadbar.com and register there. It is very simple. You just need to confirm your email just like the other one, and then click on your profile and click advertising. Then you'll be redirected to this one. You need to paste this shorter link here. That is the one that you have shortened in the previous website, and click add the website. Then this window is gonna pop up and you need to put your title in here. Basically this website is gonna give you a free traffic of your link. So you're going back to the previous website and you're gonna copy the top sentences, which is the title. So I'm highlighting it and I'm copying it. Then I'm going back to this website, which is providing me with free traffic, and I'm pasting it. But there is a limit on how much letters you can use. So we're gonna delete the second part and we're gonna keep just the first two words. Then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna copy the other two words from the sentences. I'm gonna copy them and I'm gonna paste it on add line 1. That way the whole title is gonna stick together. And remember to paste the title here as it is on the previous site without changing the language, because our target audience is gonna be in French. And I forgot to mention that this CPAGrip is paying you for every viewer that is completing their task. So let's say that your referral link is getting 1000 views and 1 or 2% of them is clicking on it and they're completing the task, you're gonna get $23.10 for every one of them. And if you pick a different link, the task could be different, or they can win some giveaways or something like that. So next up, we want to target a specific language to make sure that our viewers are from France. So in this field that it says what is your language on your ad, you can see that in my case it's France. So on my field there, I'm typing French. But if your referral link is for Germany, you can select German. And the last step for publishing this free promotion is to select the country. I'm selecting France because we want to select France audience. Then you don't need to fill any of these in the end. You just need to select save. And now you have successfully promoted your link, from which if somebody views it and completed the task, you're gonna receive the commission that they're paying for it, which in this case is $23.10. Now I'm going back to the site which is called CPAGrip. I'm closing this window. And on the top side, you can see just above the dashboard, you can see that today's revenue. And you can do this multiple times a day, creating new links and sharing it on the other website. Then you can go on statistic and charts and then statistic overview. And here you can see how much views you're getting, how much clicks and how much leads are getting. And the lead is meaning that the task that the advertisers want is completed. In my case, leads is gonna mean how much people have registered. And let's say you're getting 1000 views on this ad and only 2% of them is completing the task. This is 20 people, and you can multiply that amount by the amount they're paying for one person for completing the task, which is $23.10. And then I multiply this by 20 people. I will get approximately of $462 for that. And you can repeat this process promoting different kind of links to different kind of countries, unlimited time every day. You can also go to countries and look for any other countries. Let's for example take Spain. And their top paying link is just $12.83. Then you can browse and go to other different countries and see what they're the highest one. You can pick it and then promote that link so you can earn more. So for example, now I'm selecting Switzerland. I'm selecting the payout from high to low, and I can see that they're paying slightly more than France, which is $25.67. And in just few minutes I can make another link and promote it in the other website. Just keep in mind that when you promote something, in some cases it's gonna take about 24 hours or up to 48 hours until your campaign is live and you can start getting some views and some leads as well as some revenue. Also, if you wanna know some other methods of making money, make sure to click this video, like the video if it was useful, subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.